Coach Heist tells me that your grandma just recently passed away.
She did, yeah.
How
About
big of a
3 months
night?
ago.
3 months ago? How big of a night is this? Kind of a tribute for her.
It was huge. My whole family actually came up. They live in Grand Rapids, and they all came up, and it's just a really good cause. We tried to do something kind of different. We normally do the breast cancer, but this time we decided to do children's cancer. And what we did was we went around the community, and it's like amazing how many people in the community are affected by cancer. So I think it was a big night for everybody involved.
Why do you guys do something like this? I mean, you don't have to, and
it feels good. It feels really good. Like having everybody here, seeing everybody in the T-shirts, and having just the whole community come together for something like this, and accomplishing. Like we raised a lot of money, and it makes us feel good to help the community.
Talk about the whole, this whole project, raising money. What does that mean to you?
It means a lot to me. Losing my grandpa from cancer, I just thought this was a great opportunity to have people come and share how they were affected of cancer and stuff like that, and I just love it, and it just reminds me a lot of my grandpa.
Now, I understand you guys went around, some of the elementaries and get them on board. Why was that important in this project?
It was important because it's not just a high school thing. We want the whole community to be in it, and I mean, there's more people in the community that have been affected or had cancer, and we wanted to have people know who they were and everything, and that we're not the only one that have had cancer.
Talk about the community support. I mean, you guys raised a lot of money in a short span. Just talk about that a little bit.
I think the community is great that we brought it in. Usually we do a lot of breast cancer and we don't really bring the community in, but this time it was a lot of fun going around asking people and taking pictures. It was great to know people and get to know them and what they had, and tell our stories too if people were affected or not.
And now you talk about raising the money. At least $1,500, and it's surely to go up.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. It's like a 2-week time too, I understand. So talk about that a little bit.
We really took this seriously. We went to Riverview, Brookside, the middle school. We made sure to go to the hospital. We went and spread the word because we really wanted this to be a success.
And is it a success to you?
Yes, definitely.